Namaste. Welcome to my channel As Within So Without. In today's video, we are going to discuss about what if your twin flame is already committed to someone else? What if your twin flame re-emerges or reappears in your life if you have already found a soulmate? Even if your twin flame is not into a committed or a married relationship, what if your twin flame is already with a karmic? How to deal with all of these situations and how will the union happen? All of this we are going to discuss in this video. So let's start. There can be situations where your twin flame can reappear in your life once you have already united with your soulmate. In such a situation, the question might arise, what might be the motive of this reappearance in your life? The question might also arise that your twin flame might come back in your life to break your marriage or to break your relationship or to create issues in your married life or to create issues with any of your karmics. So the list goes on. So, there can be many such concerns that can arise in such situations. Let me tell you this. If these all are the questions in your mind, the answer is a big no. If your twin flame reappears in your life, the motive is never ever to break your relationship or never to harm any of your relationships. Your twin flame is the other half of your soul, and it will never ever do anything that would harm or that would create pain in your relationships or that can threaten your physical existence here on earth. So please relax your mind on this part. Let's discuss now, how does the union happen? In such cases, when your twin flame is already in a relationship or your twin flame is already committed to karmics, or either of the parties are in such situations, how would union happen? First of all, the twin flame union that happens and which is 100% real and 100% authentic, it doesn't happen on the earthly plane so easily. It is always and always bound to happen on a 5D plane, that is the fifth dimension first. It is first bound to happen from the emotional level, on a spiritual level, on a mental level, and on an energetic level. When all of these levels combine together in union with your twin flame, then the soul merge happens. That is, the complete union happens, which happens on the spiritual plane. Union doesn't mean that you are getting married on earth and you are earning a living, you are taking care of the kids, having kids. Union doesn't mean all of this. Twin flame union is a highly evolved spiritual concept that will completely transform your life. Once this union happens this way, it happens on a spiritual plane, you will be surprised how this union appears in your life, how this union manifests, how it presents itself in your 3D physical reality and your twin flames 3D physical reality also. This type of union can present itself in multiple type of ways. For example, it may ask you to change your job. Maybe it is not serving you better. It can also ask you, or situations might arise where you have to move out of certain toxic relationships. It can also help you move out of certain behavior patterns which are your own and some of the habits which might be harming you. It can also ask you to change your locations, like the situations might be created in a way that you are able to adapt these changes also in a easily flowing and harmonious manner. So, how this spiritual union presents itself in your 3D reality and your twin flames physical reality, there is a long list of this. Universe keeps giving surprises to the twin flames. The list of this doesn't end, and the most surprising thing here is that sometimes this spiritual union can also manifest in the form of love and in the form of support that is given to you each and every step in your life, and you will be surprised to see how transformed your life becomes once your spiritual union happens on the 5D plane. And all the more when the two twin flames are present here on earthly plane, there exists a sort of harmony between them. There exists a sort of peace between them which doesn't have any social beliefs. It doesn't have any limited beliefs. It doesn't have any negative conditioning, and most of all, it doesn't have any negative energy also. So always remember that union always happens in the spiritual realms first, and then that's for sure that it would definitely manifest itself in the 3D reality plane for both of you. So it doesn't matter if your twin flame or either of you is committed to karmic, or you are married, or there are some other relationships which are going on. Please understand that once you are in a twin flame relationship, you are into two types of lives. One life is which you are doing currently, which are your daily chores in which you are living in your body. For example, earning a living, getting married, taking care of the family, taking care of the kids. So, this will be one part of your life, and the other half, the other hand, your soul is living a different life with your twin flame. Our soul is longing for doing certain things which we call like inner work that will unite you with your twin flame. So there are two parallel lives once you are in your twin flame journey. So when all of these issues come up, it is better that we shouldn't focus on these things. If your twin flame is married or not married or whatever the situation is, the focus should always turn inward, focusing on how to attain the spiritual union. Because the spiritual union holds the key. Let me tell you more about spiritual union. Spiritual union means that you are able to feel the energetic presence of your twin flame with you whenever you want to. Let me repeat that. Spiritual union means that you are able to feel the energetic presence of your twin flame with you whenever you want to. It means that you can anytime tap into their energy. You can tap into their consciousness. You can tap into their love whenever you feel the need, and it basically happens when there are problematic phases in your life. This sort of union will give you a sense of completeness. This sort of union will give you a sense of wholeness within you. It is going to act as a full stop in your life when your mind and your heart it just stops running after the other partners to look for other partners, and you want that they should make you happy. Suddenly all of this sort of thinking, all of this longing, it disappears. This is what spiritual union looks like. This sort of spiritual union appears for both of you, you and your partner. It will give you a complete sense of happiness in your life, and most importantly, the surprising thing that happens here is you won't need your twin flame to be physically present with you. Even if you are distance apart, even if you are miles apart, even if you are not meeting frequently, the energy of your twin flame will be present inside of you and with you. And now, this energy, this combined energy of you and your twin flame that exists within you, is going to move you in harmony. It's going to move you forward in life in a peaceful manner, in a harmonious manner, and this is going to reflect in all the phases of your life, in all your relationships, in all your aspects of your life, and for your twin flame also. Hope this video highly resonated with you, and hope that this video also made sense to you. If you think that this video might be needed by other souls also, please do not hesitate to share it. And also, please do share your experiences in the comments. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. I wish divine union to all of you. Namaste.